SUAPP AIR Sketch. Hand-drawn illustrations can now generate effect images with a single click. Both hand-drawn details and generated images can be matched. The workflow is: the first step is to open SUAPP AIR. Import a hand-drawn image. Step 2. Enter editing mode. Click on Sketch. Mark the sketch with arrows and text. Step 3. Enter details. And select the creative editing mode. Finally, click Create. Wait for 10 seconds. The effect diagram is ready. Don't let hand-drawn art limit your talent. Besides, you can also do some doodling to partially modify the effect picture. Enter editing mode. Click on Sketch. Draw a small boat on the lake with a paintbrush. Input details. Click Create. A small boat has been created. Keep doodling. Input details. The lighting effects of the building can also be modified. Of course, you can also import a whiteboard. Draw directly on it. Even simple hand-drawn works. SUAPP AIR can create. What are you waiting for? Come and try it out.